the kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today is a very special day. It is my mom's birthday, and I thought it would be a fun little treat to have her come onto this video, and we are going to bake a cake of her choice. If you guys want to see how it turns out, then let's get baking. Hit that like button down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you guys can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. You guys can have a sneak peek of the videos that I'm doing at this moment. Also, you guys can see what I'm doing throughout my week instead of seeing me just on Wednesdays. Alright, now it is time to introduce my fabulous mother. Come on over. Here she is! Happy birthday, Mama! No? Happy birthday.
I just feel totally weird, that's all.
It's okay.
Hi!
I'm always clapping. Okay. Okay. What?
I don't know what to be doing while you're talking.
You just stand there. Just, hey.
Okay, let's do it at the same time.
Okay, so the first thing that we're going to... Oh my god. She's awkward. Shh. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to simmer our heavy whipping cream and mix in the white chocolate. Yes. It just magically appeared. So we need 2.5 cups.
Okay, wait.
She's crying. She's crying? Okay, we're back. We're back. She needs to measure out 2.5 cups, and she's gonna put it in this pan. Look, you're over.
Where do you think you got your cooking skills from?
Isn't this great? It's your birthday and you're cooking.
I know. What happened? 2.5, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna put it on the stove, let it simmer. I feel like I've said that about 300 times. We need 6 ounces of white chocolate. I don't have a scale anymore, so we're just going to eyeball 3/4 of a cup, and I already know people are gonna be like, but 6 ounces is weight, not volume, blah blah blah, go math. But that's the best we got. Maybe we'll do a cup instead of 3/4. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, we are ready to dump in our white chocolate. Then whisk together. I honestly think we might need more chocolate.
Okay.
Okay, now we need to get our 2 round pans. We need to line it with parchment paper and then spray it with cooking spray. Okay, so we're going to line it with parchment paper, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold it all fancy like and snip off the end, which wastes a lot of parchment paper.
Okay.
So you're going to fold it in half. Did they not have parchment paper when you were...
No, I never used parchment paper. I would have just lined my tin with butter and it always came out perfect.
Okay, so then what you do is you take your hand again, scissors, and you measure from the middle about there, and you snip off the end about there, and then you call it great.
Is that the middle?
I don't know. It's up to you to determine the middle.
What if I mess up?
And then we do it again. Oh, mine's too big.
Look what I made, a circle!
Mine's too big.
Mine's too big.
Oh, so we have to fold it up again and snip, snip, snip. Mine was only like that much bigger. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Look, I made another circle!
Still too big. Just kidding. Okay, now we're going to take all our dry ingredients and mix them together in a medium bowl. Let's go. Alright, how much flour? 2 cups and 1/4. Now it does say to use cake flour. I'm just going to use all-purpose flour. I'm sure it'll be fine.
1, 2. Yeah, 3.
1.5 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. No! These are expensive. And 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. 1, a 2, a 3.
Who says that?
The Tootsie Pop roll. How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? 1, a 2. Right? And then we mix it. Alright, we're going to set it aside, and now we're going to mix together all our wet ingredients. How much sugar?
1.5 cup.
So we just use a 1/2 cup, and we do 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. Okay, next. Butter. 1 1/4 stick.
How are you going to melt this?
You don't need to melt it. It's not telling us to melt it, so I'm not going to melt it. Right? I'm following directions. Paper stuck.
You just threw the paper into the bowl.
There's paper stuck in here.
With your ring on it.
Remember when I used to eat butter from the tub? Yeah. It was good. It's still good.
Lemon zest and juice with mixer.
Oh, this is gonna be forever. 1.5 tablespoons?
Mm-hmm.
What do we got? 1. What? We got it. Oh, yes. Okay, we are going to now do the lemon juice through this strainer so we don't get the seeds. You just twist and squeeze and push and twist and get things done.
Is there something electric to do this?
No. I'm strong. So mom, why did you want to do a lemon poppy seed cake with strawberries?
It sounded interesting, and I just haven't baked a cake for a really long time, so. And I think I was thinking of my dad that day, so he used to like to bake cakes.
You did?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Well, he did when I was a kid.
All right, how much do we need?
2 tablespoons.
Cool. Do it. 1, 2. Is that it? No, 2. That's 2. If you want it to taste like lemon, that bad. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to beat it together for about 3 minutes. Okay, so now we need to beat in 3 egg whites and 1 whole egg.
I'll do the whole.
No, you never crack it on the edge like that. Oh God, that hurt me. So that's the 1 whole.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now we need to do the egg whites on the flat surface. You know why we do it on a flat surface?
No.
It's to... No, I do know. It's to prevent eggshells even more. So if you hit it on a edge corner like that, it like could...
Did you learn this from Gordon Ramsay?
Someone. Learned it from someone.
And now I'm gonna beat him.
Yeah, beat them. Beat those eggs.
Beat it!
Now we are going to... Don't read the paper. I've got it handled. Okay, now we are going to slowly integrate the flour mixture, and she's going to keep on whisking. Okay, go. Also, 1 cup of milk.
Why are you yelling?
Because
We'll alternate back and forth.
I said after this we get to sit down for 40 minutes. Alright, now we're going to divide it into our pans and we're going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Oh, you're cute.
Oh my gosh, what is wrong with that face? Why is it so different?
She's a baby.
She's
She's a baby.
Okay, take a picture of me. I want to see what I look like. Should I make a punny face or no
Ooh, why do
face?
you have eyeliner? No, just you're a baby. What do baby faces?
What does it look like?
Oh,
that one is cute.
Here, this one's you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aww.
I'm
Wait.
the cutest one though.
There we go. We're back in action. Okay, now I'm going to split it evenly.
Here.
But also, it's my cat's birthday.
No way. It's Luna's birthday. Happy birthday to Luna.
Anyway.
Happy birthday to Luna. Luna's our cat.
He's 3.
So I learned from the last time I baked a cake that these have to be even or else they bake differently. And one's done before the other, and one of them was dry, and one of them was not dry.
No, it's got raw egg in it. What are you thinking?
People drink raw egg all the time. They drink egg whites and then we eat egg yolks. So I don't get it. Here. It could use more lemon.
And I added an extra tablespoon.
We
Actually,
can add more.
4.
We can
too
add
late.
more.
It's too
How
late.
is it too late?
It's
We'll
too
just
late.
sprinkle it.
Too late.
Or we could get a brush and brush it on
No,
when
that
the
might burn the
cakes.
top.
No, when the cakes are done.
Oh, okay.
All right, they're going in the oven right now. Mother, open it. I need nothing. We are ready to assemble. Alright, so the frosting was difficult, as you guys saw, but we're gonna do what we can with it, and we're just going to make this cake. Also, the cake wanted 4 layers. We only have 2 layers because my tins were wider than what they wanted, which is fine, or we just didn't add enough baking powder. Either way, we're fine. We got a cake.
Okay, so
Okay.
what's next?
We're going to spread the strawberry jam. Ooh, that was kind of gross. Ew. Spread it. Okay, in our journey, we ended up with 2 different frostings. One has white chocolate and one is just plain with powdered sugar. Which one do you want to put on? It looks kind of gross. Now we're going to put the second layer.
No, I thought it was
Oh no,
just
it's
the
strawberries. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry shortcake.
Now what?
We're done. Just kidding. Now we put this on top.
And then what?
Are you upset?
I'm upset that the frosting didn't turn out right.
Yeah.
Because they made it sound so simple and it wasn't.
What did we do wrong?
Ew. We are ready. We put some candles on it. It's my mom's birthday. We're gonna sing her happy birthday, and then she will blow out her candles. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mother. Happy birthday to you. Wait, make a wish. Or pray. Whatever your soul wants. Smoke alarm's gonna go off, so we gotta hurry this up. Okay, cut it, cut it.
Well, we
Let's
gotta
go.
put the candles up.
They're hot! Stop! Just don't touch
In the
them.
closet.
Oh my gosh, the guts are squishing out everywhere. This is...
Messy or what?
Alright, this mess of a cake, we're gonna
Wait.
try it finally. I mean, it's good.
She doesn't like it.
You don't like it?
Let me try it.
It's decent.
It's decent.
Let me try it.
I feel like maybe there wasn't enough baking powder. Because it's not fluffy. It's dense.
I think it's the whipped cream that's,
Really?
yeah.
Courtney, just step in.
Oh.
Just get in here.
Whipped cream is not for me.
You would have wanted frosting.
Yeah, I think I would have wanted frosting.
Well, we made a cake and we're gonna throw the rest away because it's not that great.
Happy birthday to me! Yay!
Courtney likes it. Courtney
Courtney
can
likes
have
it.
She can have it all.
I think I'm just used to traditional frosting, not this whipped frosting.
This-
have made buttercream frosting.
Yeah, I think that would have been better. All right. Thank you so much for joining me, Mayday in the kitchen, along with my mom and my sister. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. I will see you guys next Thursday. No, Thursday. Whoa. Hold up.
Whoa.
I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.
Like somebody needs to go to
Bye.
bed.
Also, the jam kind of throws it off though.
Yeah, it does, huh?
The jam?
Yeah.
It's a jam.
The jam
jam?
doesn't mix right. It's like you're trying to eat toast.